Data is fast becoming the core of every organization. And to extract the value of that data, you need to leverage the power of AI. With AI at the edge, real-time decision-making can come to life, solving problems and unlocking business opportunities. As organizations look to deploy applications that leverage AI out to the edge, they're going to be doing more and more inferencing. And that is going to shift focus to the edge where data is generated. They have to align their technology to their business goals and ensure that they're investing so that they can simplify their edge operations and be prepared to scale up. Imagine if you could consolidate all your siloed edge AI solutions and make it easier to manage and secure them, all from a centralized location. NativeEdge is an edge operations software platform that makes all these things possible. Using automation with Dell NativeEdge, you can easily deploy, manage, and secure your edge AI applications across a distributed footprint from a single pane of glass. With smart cities, AI at the edge can fuel the improvement of urban mobility, making for smarter, safer cities. In manufacturing, AI at the edge can enable predictive maintenance, automated quality control, and even process optimization to minimize downtime. For retailers, AI at the edge can power real-time customer insights, smart shelving, dynamic pricing, and smarter inventory management, and so much more. With NativeEdge, you can embrace the future with AI at the edge.